This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will discuss module 18 of A Beginner's Guide to Java Programming Language, and the topic we're going to discuss today is called the conditional operator, and it is represented by a question mark symbol and then a colon symbol and then once again colon symbol. So let's start. In addition to the above mentioned, there are several other operators which are supported by Java, and one of them is the conditional operator. And this is denoted by question mark symbol and then colon, then once again colon. Conditional operator is ternary operator that contains the three operands. Essentially, this operator is used for the evaluation of Boolean expression. The operator does not tests the first operand or condition, and if the condition is true, then the second value is assigned to the variable. However, if the condition becomes false, the third operand is assigned to the variable. The syntax of the operator is as follows. So the syntax is, first a variable is assigned, like we have a variable named a, and then there's a condition close in the parenthesis, and if the condition becomes true, then value, if true, then it will assign to the variable, else value, if false, is assigned to the variable. This is how it performs its functionality. So we will execute a program, and then we will understand the concept of conditional operator in Java programming language. So here we are, viewers, at the Eclipse IDE used to create a Java program. So first we will type the project name as conditional operator, then question mark colon and then colon. So we'll press the project name, we cannot type any special character, so it will not, the next button will not be available for it. So we'll just type a text and the name is conditional operator. We'll press the next button, and now we will press the finish button. So here we will type the name of the module as my test, name of the module. Okay, create test. So we'll first go to the source folder. Here we'll delete this by right clicking on it, and now we will create a new class by right clicking on the src folder, and from here we'll select the new option, then we'll go to the class and left click on it. So here we will type the name of the class is my test. We'll click on this public static void main. It will create a main method in the program, and then we'll click on the generate comments checkbox. Press the finish button. Pressing the finish button, here we have this public class my test. Here we can just ignore all these comments generally provided by Java programming language, which are not required. So we will first type double forward slashes. Here we will type the description of this program. It's a sample implementation of conditional operator, and we'll type it as close parenthesis question mark colon and then colon. So here under the public class my test, we will use the public static void main string method. Here we will declare the variables as, first we will type teacher x comma y. We will declare two variables, all integers x and y. First we will assign 5 to variable x, and then we will assign y equal to x equal to 5, and then question mark 15 colon 40. So what happens, actually we have used an assignment operator over here. So you can see this equal to symbol will be used as an assignment operator. So this is the condition where it will be checked that whether the x is equal to value 5 or not. So the condition becomes true because we have already assigned 5 to x. So 5 is actually stored in x, so x is actually equal to 5, so the condition becomes true. So after the question mark, the condition will be checked whether the value becomes true or false. So here the value is checked whether it is true. Since the value and the condition is true, so the 15 will be assigned to this y variable. Since if we type like 4, then the condition becomes false because the value of x is 5. So eventually the false statement 40 will be assigned to y, because here the condition becomes false. So the true portion is always executed right after the question mark, whereas the false portion is executed right after the colon, this column. Okay, now I'm gonna type use the system dot print out your print ln to display the output on the screen, and type a semicolon. Over here we will type y equal to plus y. So since the y contains the value of 15, because the condition becomes true over here, so 40 will be displayed over here. And now we'll use one more assignment operator over here. We'll check y equal to x equal to 34, which is a false condition. And then we'll check after question mark, we'll type 60 and colon and then 95. Since you can see that the condition becomes true because the value of x is not 34, So the portion right after the column will be executed, and this 95 will be now stored into the value variable y by using this assignment operator. So this equal to symbol is used as a comparison operator, where x is checked whether it becomes value of the x is 34 or not, and here once again this equal to symbol is used as a comparison operator, where the value of x is checked whether it is 5 or not. So now we'll use one more system.out.println statement to display the output on the screen. So here the condition becomes false, and the value of 95 is now assigned to the variable y. So now we'll use the same, and now here we will type x equal to plus y. So the whatever is enclosed in double quotes will be displayed as it is on the screen. So x equal to plus y means that 95 will be displayed on the screen. So here the value of y is 15, here the value of y is 95 because the condition becomes false. So the program is over, all set. Now we'll go to this run button over here, and we'll go to the run as option, and we'll click the Java application button. So we will click OK. We'll click this checkbox, always save resources before launching, pressing the OK button. So you can see 15 and 95, like the condition becomes true because the value of x was 5. So the condition right after the question mark is executed, and 15 is assigned to the y. So you can see the y has a 15, value of y as 15 over here. Since the condition becomes false over here because the value of the x is 5, not 34, condition becomes false. So the portion right after the question mark, which is actually used to check whether the value becomes true, is ignored, and since the value of x is 34, which is a false statement, so the false portion will be executed, which is here you can see the after the colon 95 is assigned to y. So we will type value of y, and 95 can be seen on screen. Since we have used x over here, close double quote, so you can see x over here. If you type y, then you can see y over here. Just for checking purpose, we'll once again run this program, go to the run as option, and from the Java application we'll click on. So you can see y over here 2 times, but since we have used x, so you will see x as an output on the screen. The value of x is 95. So that's all, viewers. We have executed a program to understand the concept of conditional operator, which is used in the double quotes, the ternary operator used, which actually uses 3 different operands. First 2 operands are enclosed in parentheses, and the third one is outside of the parentheses column. So you can see over here. That's all, viewers. Thanks for watching.